Is a live wallpaper stuck your Windows 11 desktop and you can't figure it out how to remove it? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how easy you can turn it off in just a few clicks. Before starting, all of you are most welcome in my channel, Take a Dialogue. Let's go into the video. To remove a lively wallpaper, you have to open Lively Wallpaper app. Then you have to click on Active Wallpaper icon, which is a monitor sign. Click on it. Then you have to click on cross button and then press OK. That's it, my friend. As you can see, the lively wallpaper is stopped. See, this is so much easy and you can easily remove it or stop it. You should try on your desktop PC and let me know your feedback. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.